Let's meet Sunita. Sunita has two kids. Sunita's husband has just recently passed away. She is in a fix and does not know what to do. Sunita's husband had got 2 crores of FDs. She goes to the bank and comes back with nothing. One legal notice comes to her and she gets to know that her account is frozen. 2 crores is there, but Sunita cannot touch. There is zero access. This is called as nomination trap. Money is there, but you cannot access. Who gets the money? From the banker's point of view, this is a total mess. Sunita says, I am the nominee, but her mother-in-law says, I am the legal heir. The banker does not know what to do. Hence, what the bank does, they say that we cannot give the money to the wrong person and the banker can be sued in legal. So the safest option is to freeze the account. This is what the banker says. Sorry, I cannot release to anyone. Your nominee is just a postman. Yes, you heard me right. The nominee is just a postman. Here is the truth in the very simple words. A nominee is not the owner. A nominee is just a postman. The bank gives the money to the nominee only so that the bank job is done or it's over. But the money does not belong to the nominee. The nominee gives the money to the person named in will. Right? So, will or succession law. This is why the law calls as nominee a trustee, a temporary holder. Once you're no more, who actually owes your asset? Let me explain you. There is an inner circle called as a year 1 years, which is legal year, right? They can be your spouse, children, and your mother. Yes, you heard me right. Even mother is considered as a class 1 year legal heir. So, in this case, in Sunita's case, her husband's mother is also involved. Her FD is frozen. It is because class 1 year exists and the law has to be followed. Now let's understand in which assets a nominee is a caretaker or an owner. Bank. Nominee is a caretaker. Real estate. In real estate, we say that I am the nominee, but effectively, nominee is again just a caretaker. It's legal heirs who are the main owners. Demat shares, again, it's a caretaker. In insurance, it may sound very different, but only when the nominee is spouse, child, or a parent. Otherwise, everyone is a caretaker. Now let's discuss one of the two very common mistakes which we are making, which we are not aware, but it will cost a lot. First, is your 25-year-old self screwing you today? When you are young or when you are single, you nominate your parents. After you get married, you forget to update the forms or nomination forms. What happens in any eventual situations when you're no more? Your wife will have to do a hard work. She will have to go to the bank, lawyers and courts, not because of your bad intentions, but because of forgotten paperwork, which is updation of the nominee. This is a classic one. Joint holder illusion, which is either a survivor. Either and survivor does not mean ownership. It only means that the survivor can withdraw money. Ownership still belongs to all the legal heirs. So, yes, money can be taken out, but later demanded back in court. That's shocking, right? It destroys families. Now let's discuss on how to fix this situation. It's a simple fix. What you need to do is that you need to sing the nominee and the heir, which is the same person. So example, if your nominee is wife and your legal heir, but natural would be wife. So you have to sync the nominee and the heir in the nomination form. Second, you have to write a handwritten will. Yes, where you have to have a plain paper. You can write it in your own handwriting, or you can draft it through a lawyer, and also ensure if it is registered, it is very much beneficial. Also, for writing the will, you should have two witnesses. This is a very simple solution which has no drama, in which, even if you are no more there, your family is protected and safe. The magical sentence. One sentence removes confusions forever. I nominate. You should nominate whosoever you want to nominate. And I give them absolute ownership of this account. These words matter. They connect the bank form with the law. Handwritten is enough. Indian law accepts them. Now, before I end this video, please remember, please do this. Check your nominees. Write a will. Tell your family where it is. Because money should support your family, not divide them. Don't let money become a court case. Thank you.